Hello, this is Devlog 1, but I'm a bit further into the beginning of this project. It's a randomly generated maze in VR. I've always enjoyed mazes and I'm surprised that there aren't more out there. I think that VR is a perfect platform to make a maze on there because you're actually immersed in the game. The mazes that I've seen out there are usually part of a bigger game or have other mechanics included, like finding keys and monsters or whatever. And I think these mechanics detract from the ambience of just getting lost and trying to find your way out of a maze. Like, we can play a game without having to feel like our lives are in danger sometimes, no? So the plan for this game is to let the user choose the difficulty of the maze. At the moment, it will just be the size that changes. And the maze will be randomly generated. You find your way out and start again, quite simply, for this version at least. I thought that the number and colour of graphical elements would be key for this experience, as after a while we could be familiar with a place in a maze that we've played previously, and this would confuse us when we're playing the next maze. So I thought the number and colour of graphical elements, such as rocks, trees, flowers, would be key to make the maze paths look different every time. Looking at the maze being generated as it is, I don't think that it is enough just to change the position and rotation of the objects every time. So I've decided to make one group of graphical elements and give them 3 different textures, which will be chosen randomly when the maze is generated. This will give each set a different texture every time and colour. I'll also be changing the colour and intensity of the light, which could create a lot more variation. This, along with the position and the rotation of the object, should create lots of different looks for the maze. So the maze is looking a bit sparse for the moment, so I guess for the next week I'll be making lots of different models and completing the textures. So see you again next time. Bye!